So my name's Cale Hayes. I'm the Executive Director of the Lethbridge Therapeutic Riding Association. So a little bit about this project. Southland Trailers has been long-term support of our charity. We heard they build a welding shop and thought it was a cool idea. Connected with Colton and talked about a couple tools that would make life out on the farm a lot easier. One being the hay feeder that you have here, and one being a bobcat attachment for our arena stand so that we can maintain it, keep it level for our riders and programs. Everyone jumped on it. Absolutely cool. The kids came up with things better than we could buy. The arena attachment's custom, and it took what would have taken an all-day job to level out the sand because we were doing it by hand with shovels to about an hour. So very, very cool. Love the fact that Southland Trailers did this for the community. Love the fact that the kids in the program then decided to give back. Overall, just phenomenal. Hey, they're solid, and the way that they built it had like safety in mind, both for one person feeding and for the horses. You'll see metals inside wood, arena attachment, hooks right our bobcat. I mean, the fact that kids in high school put this together is absolutely unbelievable.